Mother road, and as a manners, God a road. I will tell you, say, as a big man, one of the hardest pain and hardest thing you can ever look upon, and one of the worst sight you can ever look upon, is to seeing a big man cry. You ever see a big man cry yet? You ever see a big man broken and cry? Nothing hurt your heart like seeing a big man cry. You know, so I feel like say, seeing a woman cry, that hurt, brother. You don't want to see your father cry. The main point, you think your mother cry more than your father hide and do it. When you see how the pressure dey upon him, and how he know how all the woman when go home to disloyal, and how he know say come home and not even pitney them, not even like give him a hug, because the mother tell the picking them how corrupt the father is and how much him a worthless boy. You know the man ball in just